Hello, good afternoon. This is Ira Sahai back again. I am a D-Life member, a D-Life certified metabolic health coach, and also its media head. And I'm back again today with another course review video. I have with me Stephen Kishore, who is a human resource professional from Chennai. Kishore has completed his diploma in low-carb nutrition and metabolic health from D-Life in 2021 and is now a certified metabolic health coach and a D-Life member. With low carb, he turned around his health. He also has a certification in functional medicine in clinical nutrition from Indian Association of Functional Medicine. And in the last 3 years, Kishore has helped around 200 clients to improve their weight management and related issues, and also various metabolic health issues. So Kishore, welcome today, and what a pleasure it is to have you. And such a big number, 200 clients you have already helped. So
Yeah.
tell me, Kishore, what made you study nutrition? I know you have a background where you had some health issues,
Yeah.
but what made you study nutrition, and how did you come to D-Life, and how did you opt for the D-Life diploma course?
So first of all, thank you, Ira and D-Life and Anup for giving me this opportunity. So I am really happy coming here, and thanks for the time. So D-Life, okay, so it was during the pandemic, okay, so in fact, as you have said, I had a host of health issues. I was obese. I was almost 90 kgs. I started my, there was some alarm. Okay. So I always felt that I need to do something about my health because I was getting a headache very often. And so I started the activities like cycling, running. But initially I lost some weight, probably 3 4 kgs I lost, but I continued with development of the activities. Like I even participated in triathlon, but still my weight wouldn't budge. Okay, so the and one day I was about to cycle from my society where I stay. So one of my uncle who used to see me daily doing this activity, he jokingly said, "You are doing this activities every day, but you have a very big pot belly that is not going." So I was also thinking, what exactly is that? I am doing so much of activities. I am doing running. I am doing cycling. I am doing swimming, but my weight is not reducing to a certain point. So from 90, I came down to maybe around 86. Then it was not going down. And that was the time I came across Dr. Jason Funk's book, The Obesity Code. I think a lot of us got into this low carb because of thanks to Dr. Jason Funk. So I happened to read, and it was quite interesting. So I started implementing certain things from the book, and and immediately saw the results. Okay, so this book led to me to read other books. The Big Fat Surprise by Tina Nichols, and also the other book on why do we get sick. So these are the things I started learning, and I started implementing, and I also saw my weight getting reduced. So this was the story, and my wife was almost 108 kgs that time after the second child's delivery. So after seeing me, she also got motivated, and she also started losing weight. So all this happened during the pandemic, like during the lockdown, we are not able to come out of the house. So in fact, the other people were putting on weight, uh, telling the reason lockdown as the reason for putting on weight. But we had completely transformed our body, right? So, and when we came out of the lockdown in the society, so many people were amazed. They couldn't recognize me because I came down from almost 86 to almost around 68 kgs. And my wife was from 108 kgs. She came below 70 kgs. So that was the transformation. So people started asking for tips, and I was really wondering, yes, so many people are asking. I was also started guiding them. then it struck me that I should professionally get into it. So I was searching for some course in India. Probably I couldn't get that. Then I joined the PN network. Okay, in fact, I paid money, and luckily, so God has directed me. Like one day, I happened to see Anup's post where there was a lady called Anjali. She completed the course, and it says that the first person to complete the low-carb nutrition. So it was God sent. So immediately I inquired with Anup. I reached out to Anup and inquired with them, and immediately I joined the course. I was very happy and excited that I joined, and I discontinued the PN network. And I'm really happy that I joined D-Life rather than join PN network. So that time, I think now the course has more than double the value, right? And the PN network was almost 3 times the cost that time. So I'm really happy that I joined D-Life and completed my course. And of course, it has helped me a lot transform my life and also transform others' life. So this is actually my story. And if you allow me, I can just show my previous picture. 1 second. Let me know if you're able to see my screen. So are you able to see the photos?
Yes, I'm able
So
to.
this left side was me. So when I was at 90 kgs. So on the right side, like almost when I came to around 70 kgs. So this was the thing. And I started going to gym. Okay, all these are covered in the course, of course. So then I started following a lot of things which are advised in the course. And I also want to show in the middle, you could see. So this is my wife with a child. Okay, so she was 108 kgs. Then she lost, and she was almost around came down to 68 kgs. And these are a couple of my friends that I helped. On the right hand, this person is a doctor. So in fact, I also helped them. So that is the so once we treat this doctors, so that's the confidence it has given me. I have, of course, helped almost 3 doctors on the weight loss journey. So I really feel very proud and confident.
And that's a
So
wonderful story, Kishore, and so inspiring to see the transformation that both you and your wife have undergone, along with helping so many other people. And as Kishore said, D-Life has grown 3 times or maybe 4 times since the time he completed his course, and that's almost 3 to 4 years back. Now, D-Life has enrollees from 14 countries and 24 doctors are enrolled with us. And we are growing like anything. We are the biggest course in the world also with 60 hours of CPD credit and in India as well. So Kishore, tell me now that you've completed the course and you are an ACE member of D Life, how did you find the course itself?
yeah. So, see, actually, as I have told, so I read about this lockup through the books. Okay, the Benjamin Bikeman's book on why do we get sick. Okay, so with some background, so I was going through, and it was eye-opening. Like from that book, okay, so and lot many. Okay, you get to know about the metabolic. Health condition and how a simple food system has changed all of us. The entire system has made us sick, and how everything has been the food companies and the pharma companies are trying to change the entire the food supply, and how we are become the customer, the permanent customers. Okay, so it is a lot of thing eye opener. So it is, and also everything that whatever is taught in the course, okay, and there is we need to go through the research papers. So that was really interesting. It was not just like that something is told about and we have to study and forget. So on the each topic, okay, so there is numerous videos we need to go through. from the industry experts, and also a lot of papers that we need to go through to get to more about the details. So it gives a totally a different perspective to understand the metabolic health conditions. So that has really helped me a lot, and I have accordingly supported a lot of people with this metabolic condition on diabetics and PCODs. Okay, and in fact, I had helped a person in our society. He happened to be a managing director. So he transformed his health. So after seeing that, he put me in his company and he gave me 20 people to help. Okay, so and I ran a program for 90 days. Okay, and we had there was almost around 60-70 percentage of the people had transformed their weight and also reversed a lot of metabolic conditions. So at the 90 days period, the company had given them the lot of gifts for completing this one and also reversing the weight this one. So all this gave me a lot of confidence. It is because of the course that I did it with D Life, because you
Great to
get
know.
to know, understand the holistic picture of health.
Yeah. As Kishore said, the chapters are so exhaustive, and not only do they give you an overview, but they really dwell deep, and there are many research papers, studies associated and linked with all the chapters. There are videos. So until you complete that chapter, until you watch that video, you cannot mark it complete and you cannot get ahead. So we have ensured, that nobody skips the curriculum, nobody skips the course. So, Kishore, now tell me, you've been with D Life and as a D Life member for so many years. How did you find the forum support while you were going through the course? And also, now that you've completed the course, 3-4 years back, you are still there on the forum. How do you find the forum support?
Yeah, it's a really interesting and thanks for this question. See, in fact, after this, I have also done one more certification. But with the D Life, I find this community very active. And we have some senior members like Shashikant and Mr. Arun Kumar. And the kind of knowledge they carry, like whenever we discuss a complex cases in the forum, we get a lot of inputs. Okay, so much of knowledge is there, and so it is really, really mind blowing. And so when we get a client who are totally a pure vegetarian, so we are little stuck. So then we can go into the recipe section and pull out a lot of recipes and share it. So it's all becomes really, really handy. So I don't think any other course has this kind of knowledge sharing, this kind of resources to offer. Okay, even with this, my second certification, once the certification is over, there is not much of things we need to we get the support from the team. But here I find this, like, you have the access to the course also anytime you can go and refer, and you have the access to the forum, you have access to the recipes. So many things. I think it's like an ocean, right? So you always get what you want from this.
Yeah,
So
I
that is
think
my
D-Life, yeah, I think
takeaway.
I'll just extend Kishore's point. And D-Life, I think, is the only low-carb nutrition course in the world that actually adopts you for life. We adopt our enrollees, all our past enrollees, all those who are completing the course. They are all in the WhatsApp group. They are all part of the forum for lifelong. And as Kishore said, even if a new enrollee wants to handle a client, he can go or she can go on the forum and post the reports, post all blood work and everything, and she or he will be guided by the mentors and certified metabolic health coaches like Kishore or me. And there are so many people. So we at D Life, people just don't do the course and they go away. They are part of the forum, part of the community, part of the D Life family for life. So Kishore, that's such a wonderful answer. I'm sure that will
Sorry to
help.
interrupt,
Yeah.
Ira. So I also want to talk about this WhatsApp group. Since I am also working, so I don't get much time. But I think this is one of the WhatsApp group where, like, if I don't open for 24 hours, there will be close to around 800 to 1,000 messages in the chat box. Okay, so that's kind of interaction which is happening. So many people are sharing the input, but I ensure that whenever I get time, I go through almost all the messages. So it's a very interactive forum, and these members are also, everyone is contributing.
Yeah. Kishore, now that you have worked with about 200 clients, would you tell our people who are watching this video the course fee that you paid 3 years back? Do you think it is justified and it has been recovered very well?
Yeah, so actually it is like if I compare it now, so I that time it was almost around 45,000 I paid. Okay, and so maybe I was thinking, should I spend that much of money? Then, but my gut feeling, I said, go ahead and do it. Okay, so during COVID time, we had also had the salary cuts, all those things. So I decided to do this course during that time. Okay, but see, I had taken a break from my job also last year. Okay, so I really felt that since I did this course and there is something like I can really build my career. So that supported me this one, and I recovered all this in maybe supporting 2 clients. Okay, so the course fee is actually nothing. Okay, and how? So I am really happy that I decided to do the course. Okay, and it is like it is not the cost doesn't matter. Okay, so you recover it really faster. Okay, so now since I am working, I really don't concentrate, but whichever reference. And all my clients, this 200 clients whoever I have supported, all came through reference. Have not, I don't have any promotion through any social media or anything. All these 200 clients come through the reference. So one of the other who benefits, they refer me. Okay, so I am really happy that I happen to do this course, and very happy for D-Life in offering this opportunity.
Yeah, I think Kishore has put it very nicely that, now with 200 successful clients under his belt, the fee that he paid is completely justified. And I also feel the same. And I think all our, guests who have been on this recording have all, everybody has said the same thing. The success that comes with the knowledge that you get at D-Life, zero investment in terms of promotion or doing any social media campaign. All you have to do is get in, pay the fee, and take this ocean of knowledge, and you can monetize it. You can use it for your personal, health gains, for your family members, for your friends. It eventually it does get down to a point where people do start asking you, what are you doing? And you are so motivated to monetize it also, because why not, as Kishore said. So Kishore, the last question, would you like to give any advice or say something to people who are thinking of enrolling in the D-Life Diploma course?
Yeah. So my advice would be, even like if you're working or if you have any thought on this, so please enroll this course, and it is really going to help a lot. Okay, so I have the confidence it gave me, right? I have supported a few autism children. Okay, I have supported few cancer patient. Okay, and the kind of the happiness, okay, you get from these parents. Okay, especially when you are supporting these children. Okay, and some of them, even the medical doctors are not able to support, but this course is giving us this confidence. Okay, and when we get the positive feedback from the parents, it is like I cannot describe that here. Okay, so I would, my humble answer is please, this is an excellent opportunity. And in India, we have almost 40 to 50 percentage people with diabetics and pre-diabetics and host of health conditions. and we need more warriors to fight this system, right? So please enroll in D-Life. Let us save India and let us become a health warrior and improve our health and the health of people around us, and also contribute to our nation. So that is my humble message, Ira.
Okay, and I will add to that just a little bit of brief on the course itself. D-Life Diploma course has the largest content on low-carb nutrition and metabolic health. It has 800 plus references, 200,000 plus words, 60 plus relevant videos in the course. The course gives you lifetime access, 6 months additional access to the forum from the start of internship, and which all our members have it for lifetime, which comes free with the course. The forum access comes free with the course, and unless someone breaks or violates the TOS, they are all part of the D-Life forum, D-Life family, and the group. There is no recertification clause to the diploma course. We are the India's legally tenable course. For those seeking international certification, we have the CPDSO UK accreditation, which has given us the global biggest 60 hours credits that nobody else has. We are also the SMHP approved CMHE provider. As I said, course gives free access to the DLife.in platform, which is 10 years of premium curated data with 3,000 plus combined success stories, 2,000 plus original low carb, keto, vegetarian, non-vegetarian recipes. There are about 200 plus podcasts. And I said largest content on low carb nutrition, metabolic health. We have a robust forum of discussion and long threads on cases, which Kishore just mentioned about. So if anybody or a new enrollee or a new certified coach wants to handle a client, all they have to do is go and post the reports and seek advice from the mentors and the certified metabolic health coaches, and we are backing them at every step in handling the client. And we also have a 24/7 WhatsApp community support where we bond, learn, and have fun, of which Kishore and I both are a part. Kishore, any last words that you would want to say, before leaving? And you also please specify if people want to reach out to you, how do they get to you?
Okay. First of all, so I am really happy with this one. Having this course, having this CPD points. So now we can really support the international clients as well. So it was not available earlier, but now I am really happy to know that this course is offering. So we can very proudly say that we have done a very international course with the D-Life in. So that is my input. And I don't think there is such a course which is available in India or anywhere else, right? And it's really a good opportunity and honor for us to do this course. So that is my input, and I'm available in Twitter, but currently I'm not much active. So I also follow Anup Singh and D-Life, Shashikant Iyer and Arun Kumar, all very closely. Otherwise, my email ID is kennisv@yahoo.com. And even if somebody wants to inquire on this one, they can write to me, and I'll revert to them. So,
okay. Thank you so much, Kishore. People who want to get in touch with Kishore, Kishore has given out his email ID, and you can very well get in touch with him. He has about 200 plus client success stories and is doing very well as a D-Life certified metabolic health coach. Many congratulations, Kishore, and I wish you great success ahead. And this is Ira Sahai signing off. I'll be back with another course review video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
thank you, Ra. Thank you, Anup and D-Life. Thank you so much. Bye.